In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax and Stripe using our 2025 step-by-step guide. Whether you're a small business owner or a finance team member, this tutorial is designed to make the process straightforward and easy. So, let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to head over to your Stripe dashboard. If you haven't signed in already, go ahead and do so now. The Stripe dashboard is your go-to place for handling all transactions, and it's where we'll set up the tax feature today. Once you're on the home page, look for options at the top of the page and select More. This is a drop-down menu that provides access to additional features within your Stripe settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and click on the Tax option. This is where we'll begin setting up your tax details. It's an important step because it sets the stage for calculating tax on your transactions. After accessing the tax section, you'll see an option labeled Add Tax Registration. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to input your business's tax registration details, which are essential for complying with legal requirements and ensuring customers are charged the correct amount. You'll then be prompted to choose your location. This step is crucial because in order to adhere to the correct taxation rules, Stripe needs to know where your business is based. This could also determine which types of taxes need to be applied depending on your region's specific regulations. Once you've selected your location, the next option within Stripe's interface is the Register for Me button. By clicking this, you allow Stripe to handle some of the registration processes on your behalf, sparing you from the more complex intricacies of tax registration. After registration, you're going to see a section called Plan Details, Tax Complete. Click on that to review the specifics of your selected tax plan. Consider this plan as an overview of how Stripe will manage your tax settings. Following this, locate and click on Choose Your Plan. This part allows you to select the tax service plan that best fits your business needs. Stripe offers different levels of tax management services, so choose one that aligns with the complexity and volume of your transactions. Once you've selected a plan, you'll need to confirm your choice, so go ahead and click Review Plan and Continue. It's always a good idea to double check the details. This step reviews your selection to make sure everything is set up properly before committing. Finally, to lock in your settings, click on the Subscribe button. By subscribing, you enable these tax features, ensuring they're active and ready to be applied to your transactions. And there you have it. Your taxes are now set up within Stripe. Remember, keeping your tax settings accurate and updated is important for maintaining legal compliance and ensuring smooth transactions for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one.